Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today is another Princess Polly try on haul. I'm obsessed with Princess Polly. It's probably like my favorite online clothing store. I just find that everything always is so true to size and fits so well, and I love all the brands that they stock. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I picked up. I'm gonna show you guys accessories first, just because I'll probably forget. So first up, I got these earrings. I'll zoom you guys up later. And then this gold necklace. It's just got a cross on the top and then this little symbol on the bottom. I'm obsessed with wearing like necklaces and earrings lately. I don't know what's gotten into me, but I'm obsessed. And then I got two of the new Desi Don't At Me sunnies. Ever since these got released, I was like eyeing them. I was like, I need them in my life. So I got both colors. I got black and white. So these are the white ones. Love. And then these are the black. These ones have a matte finish, whereas the white ones are more sort of like shiny. But I love them both. I think I like the white ones better though. I love them. Okay, so now onto clothes. Oh my god, I have so much good stuff to show you guys. So the first thing is this really cute blush dress. I don't really wear dresses that often, but when I saw this on the model, I was like, oh my god, that is so cute. So basically it's a singlet type dress, and then it does up at the waist. Ooh. You'll see way better in the try on bit, but I'm obsessed with the color and it's really flattering as well. So yeah. Next is a black off the shoulder bodysuit. Looks like this. Oh, by the way, I got that in a size 10 and this one is in a size medium. So I basically just got medium or a size 10 because they have like both sort of categories of sizes on their website. This is an off the shoulder bodysuit, goes with absolutely anything, and I don't really have anything like this, so I thought I would pick it up. I have been obsessed with long flowy pants recently, so I picked up these white ones. They look like this and they tie up at the front here as well, and they're just really long and flowy, and you can wear this with any crop top, any bodysuit. I just think it's just so flattering as well, so yeah. Love those. Next up, I picked up a play suit. This one is so cute. I wore this over the weekend. It's just a white with sort of leafy patterns. It's just like a t-shirt type play suit, and yeah, it's super cute. I also got another pair of flowy pants. So these ones are striped, and then I just do it at the front, and then there's just this rope thing that you can do up at the waist. Oh, here's another pair. So these ones are polka dotted and they're black, high-waisted as well. They literally go with any plain top. I didn't realize how many I picked up. Next, I picked up a jumper because it is starting to get a little bit cooler and I was just obsessed with this. So it's just white with red stripes and it's a bit cropped as well. So yeah, love that one. I've also become really obsessed with the leopard print design recently. I don't know what's gotten into me. I go through so many trend phases. So I bought this leopard maxi dress. It's so cute on, but I probably wouldn't wear it just alone. I'd probably wear it with a belt around the waist just because it isn't as fitted as I thought it would be. But yeah, when you put a belt around the waist, it looks really cute. So yeah, I love that dress. Next up is another play suit. This one is red. I have the same one in white and I really like it. So it just goes up like this and it's just frilly and it ties in at the waist. So then I just have 3 tops left. When I saw this on the website, I was like, oh, this is not something I would usually wear, but I really liked it for some reason. So it's just basically a boob-tubed denim crop top. I don't know, it just looks really cute on. I don't know where I'd wear it or when I'd wear it, but I don't know, I think it would look cute for photos. So I got that one. Then finally, I have these two. So this is just a one-sleeved, if you can call it that, crop black top. I just think it looked really cute on the model, so I picked that up, and you could pretty much pair that with literally anything. Finally, the top that I'm wearing now, it's just a ribbed sort of cropped top. I've been wearing it like non-stop ever since I received it. It's just so comfy and goes with anything. And the last thing I picked up was this really cute furry nude jacket. When I saw this on the website, I was like, I need this in my life. It is so soft, and it just looks so cute on. So I'm literally gonna wear this like every day in winter, I can tell. I got this one in a size large because I wanted it to be a little bit oversized. But yeah, as you can see, put it on now. Oh my God, I love it. I literally am obsessed with it. Like, look how warm it looks. I think it looks so cool. Okay. So that is everything I picked up from Princess Polly. Don't forget to use my discount code, which I'll leave on the screen and in the description box down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.